Google's latest mid-range phone, the Pixel 9a, has been officially announced, but something unusual is happening. Pre-orders are nowhere to be found. Typically, when Google unveils a new Pixel device, buyers can place their orders immediately. This time, however, Google has remained silent about when people actually be able to purchase it. The reason behind this delay appears to be a hardware issue affecting certain Pixel 9a units, leading Google to push back the release date. This situation has raised concerns among tech enthusiasts. One major sign that something might be wrong is that Google hasn't sent out review units to any major tech reviewers. Normally, before a new phone launches, Google provides these devices to reviewers, allowing them to test and share their thoughts with potential buyers. The fact that no one has received a unit yet suggests the problem could be serious enough to warrant extra caution. It's likely that Google is working behind the scenes to fix these issues before officially making the phone available. Looking at Google's history with the Pixel lineup, it makes sense why they're being extra careful. Earlier models were notorious for hardware problems. The Pixel 2, for instance, had a microphone issue that caused calls to randomly drop. Its larger variant, the Pixel 2 XL, suffered from screen burn-in, where previous images remained faintly visible even after the display changed. The Pixel 3 series also faced criticism due to screen flickering, buzzing sounds, and even a bug that made calls one-sided. Later, the Pixel 4 lineup experienced an unusual issue where users reported hearing a popping noise while watching videos. These problems led to lawsuits, hurting Google's reputation in the early days of its smartphone business. However, in recent years, Google has improved its quality control. The Pixel 7 and Pixel 8 series were far more reliable, with fewer widespread complaints compared to earlier models. This shift suggests that Google is now prioritizing stability, which might explain why they are taking their time with the Pixel 9a. Instead of rushing out a device that could have hardware issues, they are delaying the launch to ensure everything is working as expected. While this might be disappointing for eager fans, it's ultimately a smart decision. No one wants to buy a new phone only to discover a major defect that can't be fixed with a software update. Another factor to consider is Google's customer support track record, particularly with returns and replacements. If the Pixel 9a were to launch with a significant hardware issue, the process of getting a replacement could become a frustrating experience for customers. By taking extra time to address the problem before launch, Google is likely trying to avoid these potential complications and ensure a smoother experience for buyers. So when can people expect to get their hands on the Pixel 9a? Google has confirmed that the phone is now set to launch in April. While they haven't provided specifics about the component issue causing the delay, this additional time will allow them to conduct further quality checks before the phone reaches consumers. In the long run, this delay might actually benefit Google and its customers. It shows that the company is committed to ensuring its devices meet a certain standard of reliability. Even though waiting longer can be frustrating, it's better than rushing out a product that might end up with widespread defects. For now, all we can do is wait for more updates from Google. Hopefully, by the time the Pixel 9a finally hits the market, it will be free of major issues and deliver the smooth performance that Pixel users expect. What are your thoughts on this delay? Are you still excited about the Pixel 9a, or has the wait changed your mind? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to stay updated on the latest tech news, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. More updates are coming soon. See you in the next one.